Okay, there's Georgita next to the screen that I recently fixed so the bird can't get in. And there's the bird following her again. She has got Georgita on her mind. And Georgia said, I don't care about that bird. She can yell at me all day. I just dog. Yes, bird, what's on your mind? Georgia, go run. Go run. Come on, go run. Go run. Go run. Here comes the bird. Going to that tree so she could see her. Can't get a good shot. Georgia, go run. Come on. Go run. Go run. Oh, here comes the bird. She's really running. The bird landed in that tree. Oh, I don't understand it. Come on, Georgia. See if she goes. Oh, there she goes. She said, you know what? That dog moves, I move. Georgia's like, what's going on here? Mommy's following me with the camera. This bird is flying overhead following me. And baby's like, the bird doesn't even care about me. Only Georgita. The bird never follows me. She's not leaving. Oh, yep, she's getting in position. She's about to dive bomb. Nope. I should let her go. Oh, I heard wings flapping. Oh, there they go. She's going tree to tree today. I don't think she cares for baby. Baby, go inside. Go inside. Whoa, whoa. There she is. She's back. Georgia. Oh, now she's yelling at me. That's interesting. Come on, Georgia. Let's go to the other side. Come here. Oh, there she comes. She's like, oh, there goes Georgia. There goes I. Oh, Georgia said, I'm out of here. Sorry, bird. Come on, Georgia. Come outside. Come on, Georgia. Georgia, come on. Georgia. Georgia. Georgita. Come on, I have to go. Hurry up, come outside. Come on. She wants nothing to do with that bird. She's like, Mom, don't you hear that thing screaming? I'm not coming out there. Heck no. Georgita, come outside. Play with the birdie. It's not a bad girl. Come on. You don't like the bird. I know, it's noisy. Very noisy. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, honey. Come outside. Come on. No? Okay. Baby, come inside. Baby? No.